In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best batting gloves on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Baseball batting gloves. Here's a punchy, product listing style description for the Easton Walk-Off Ethos baseball batting gloves. Adult sizes, multiple colors. Get game ready with the Easton Walk-Off Ethos batting gloves. Designed for performance and comfort, these gloves feature a premium goatskin leather palm for unbeatable grip, a breathable mesh backhand, and a secure neoprene wrist strap. Available in adult sizes and a variety of bold colors to match your style on the field. Highlights: goatskin leather palm for superior feel and control. Mesh backhand for breathability and flexibility. Neoprene wrist strap for a snug, custom fit. Sleek design in multiple colors built for serious hitters. Number 2. Franklin Sports MLB Power. Here's a crisp and engaging product style description for the Franklin Sports MLB Power Strap Infinite Batting Gloves tailored for adult and youth players. Step into the batter's box with confidence using the Franklin Power Strap Infinite Batting Gloves. Engineered for elite performance in both baseball and softball, these gloves feature a long cuff design for added wrist support and a secure power strap closure for a locked-in feel. Whether you're swinging for the fences or spraying line drives, these gloves are built to perform. Key features: Power strap technology. Revolutionary wrist strap ensures a snug, no-slip fit. Infinite web palm construction. Seamless leather palm for maximum grip and comfort. Long cuff design. Enhanced wrist support and stability. Durability plus flexibility. Built to last while allowing natural hand movement. Multiple sizes. Available for both adults and youth players. Versatile use. Perfect for baseball or softball, practice or game day. Number 3. Franklin Sports MLB CFX. Absolutely. Here's a polished product style description for the Franklin Sports MLB CFX Pro PRT batting gloves. Franklin Sports MLB CFX Pro PRT batting gloves. Heavy-duty protective design, baseball plus softball, adult sizes. Gear up like the pros with the Franklin CFX Pro PRT batting gloves. The next evolution in performance and protection. Engineered for serious baseball and softball athletes, these gloves feature reinforced padding in high-impact areas and premium leather construction for unmatched durability and comfort. Whether you're facing high-velocity pitching or playing through a tough season, the CFX Pro PRTs have your hands covered. Key features: PRT protective shell. Built-in padding offers extra protection against jammed fingers and hard pitches. Pro-level fit. Designed in collaboration with MLB athletes for elite feel and performance. Pittards digital sheepskin leather. Ultra-soft and grippy palm for optimal control. Strategic flex points. Natural movement without sacrificing support. Adult sizes. Perfect for competitive baseball and softball players. Game-ready design. High-performance gloves trusted by big league hitters. Number 4. Mizuno MVP baseball batting gloves. Here's a clean and catchy product description for the Mizuno MVP baseball batting gloves. Level up your swing with the Mizuno MVP batting gloves. Built for hitters of all ages and skill levels. From T-ball to adult leagues, these gloves offer a secure, comfortable fit and the grip you need to stay locked in at the plate. The combination of a non-slip palm and flex mesh back delivers elite feel and flexibility, while the quick adjust wrist tab ensures a custom fit every time you step into the box. Key features: non-slip palm. Superior grip for better bat control and consistency. Flex mesh back. Lightweight and breathable for max flexibility and comfort. Quick adjust strap. Easy, secure wrist adjustment for a perfect fit. All ages. Available in adult, youth, and T-ball sizes. Sleek design. Pro-inspired look. Ready for any level of play. Number 5. Mizuno Finch Softball Padded Batting Gloves. Here's a sharp and appealing product style description for the Mizuno Finch Softball Padded Batting Gloves. Step up your fast pitch game with the Mizuno Finch Padded Batting Gloves. Endorsed by legendary softball icon Jenny Finch. Designed specifically for softball players, these gloves feature strategic padding and premium grip, giving you the confidence to swing big and play hard. Whether you're a rising star or seasoned slugger, the Finch gloves deliver comfort, control, and protection all game long. Key features: Padded shock palm. Extra palm padding reduces sting on mishits and high-speed pitches. Non-slip palm. Enhanced grip for consistent contact and bat control. Flex mesh back. Breathable and flexible for a natural, responsive feel. Quick adjust strap. Simple wrist tab for a snug, personalized fit. Built for softball. Tailored fit and protection for fast pitch athletes. All ages. Available in both adult and youth sizes.